30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey, and let's enjoy the ride together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, because I love the new Street Triple so much, I really wanted to try the Street Triple RS. However, this is the 2022. This is not the newest one. The newest one's right there that I love so much. This one is still 765cc engine, putting out 121 brake horsepower, 58 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in at, dry weight it was 366, give or take. This one should be somewhere around the, I'd say 400 pounds. Should be about right. It still has fully adjustable suspension, front and rear. This has a nice little TFT display. And should be a blast to ride. This one revs to 14. Nice. We are in, let's go back to track. Yeah, track mode. Turn system off. Got a nice sound to it. And again, it's a Street Triple. So you have your legs upright. You do have a, just like the new one. You have a very committed position from your leg standpoint, but your hands are very relaxed. Now this bike does not have a massive horsepower, but 121 horsepower. And that buttery smooth quick shifter. I don't know why I went for the clutch. I mean, okay, I put it in track mode, so we got traction control, traction, the map is in track, you know, so this should be delivering every bit of power that this thing has got. And it's great. One of the things I like about this bike so much is that the seat is pretty comfortable, honestly, it really is, but it's so light. This bike is so light and it's so easy to ride. It's so simple and it's beautiful to ride. It's wonderful feeling. I still say that this is a better platform than a 600 Super Sport. And the quick shifter is just as good as on this as it was on the new one. It really is. I mean, sometimes you get on a different, a different bike from a different year, and there's a massive difference. This bike, no, not so much. This bike does not have this massive jump and this massive difference between the two. It's very muted. It's very relaxed. And it's just going down the road feeling. But when you get on it, and it's phenomenal. I still say don't start on this bike. I'm not gonna stop. Not on the stop at that light. I like the bar end mirrors on this. They're actually really good. Really good. Still got the street triple styling, which is, I think it looks really nice. Yeah, this brake is still exceptional. I don't know how much this costs. Should have found that out. As indicated in the 765 video, I did have a commenter saying it has halogen turn signals, and it does. Even on this one, even on the new one. Should it be LED? Yes, it should. But that's not a make or break for me. It is not a make or break for me. This bike is so good. I'm still gonna say that of all the bikes that I've ridden in my life and this year, if I'm trying to find like the perfect bike for the street, this bike is right there. It's right there on the top of the list, or near the top of the list in that category. I mean, it's vibrational. You can see it. The mirrors go, I mean, I can see, but they're vibrating. This is as close to perfect for a street bike as you can get. Great power. Good looks. Well, that's subjective, but to me it's good looking. And let's see. Wow, this is really good. This is not the brand new one, so I'm being a little bit more playful with this one. Yeah. Hope that light turns red, because I'd love to do an actual 0 to 60 on this bike. I really would. Because this bike is it's that good. Yes. I've never been so happy to see a yellow light in my life. That's terrible. I want to see a yellow light so I can stop at this light and just do a 0 to 60 pull. I think I was going faster than 60. I would love to see this bike on the daily commute. I really would. Because right here, I'm very comfortable. I'm very comfortable. I mean, this doesn't have cruise. Doesn't even have an option for cruise, I don't think, on this generation. But, man, you get on this bike, oh, wow. It is so good. Street Triple RS. Yeah. Yeah. Like this underslung exhaust, but I would still change it. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. 2022 Triumph Street Triple RS. Got your Olin shock, Showa in the front. It's a great bike, great platform, great platform. As always, everybody, stay safe, enjoy the ride.
Turn your back.